Do you like this taskbar? I personally like it a lot. And if you want to install it, it is available onto the official Microsoft page and GitHub link over there. So it is 100% reliable and safe. No need to worry about that. Check out this start menu, advanced option, and CPU, RAM, internet usage, everything right on the fingertip in front of you. So I personally like this taskbar. If you want to install it, I will guide you within the minute that how you can set up it. It is pretty much simple. Let's start the video. You have to open the Chrome browser and then you have to type power twice. You will have the Microsoft link. Once you have to click on it. Then you have to scroll down it, install power twice. After that, you have to scroll down it, click onto the GitHub, or you can also download it from the Microsoft Store. It is also available over there. Just scroll down it, scroll down it, scroll down it, and then you have to click onto the exe file power twice. It will be downloaded instantly. So you can see that depending on your internet speed, once it is downloaded, I will be back. So now it has been downloaded and now we have to double click on it and start this setup. So once you double click on it, setup will be start instantly. It is taking little time, but as depend on your processor and computer speed. Now here it is. We have to agree, install, yes, and it is being installed in front of you. So once it is installed, we have to navigate power twice inside the start menu, and then we have to select several options over there. And once done, you will have new taskbar. So once it is installed, I will be back. Now the application has been installed. Now go into the start menu, power twice. Once it is open, then you have to go at the right hand side, command palette. Once you click it, then you have to scroll down it, then click onto the settings. After that, you have to click onto the dock. After that, you have to turn on this taskbar, turn on DAC. And you can see that we have live processor usage and now currently it is being loaded. And you will have all these information slowly and gradually. Start menu, advanced option, and other option will also be loaded shortly. So this is all about the new taskbar. If you are interested enough, so you can go onto the Microsoft website or you can download from the Microsoft Store as well. So this is the fantastic taskbar. I personally like it. If you like it, thumbs up this video and hit the bell icon and forward to your family and friends. Stay safe. Bye bye. And if you have any question, you can mention in the comment section. I will give the answer as early as possible. Thank you.